Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and stay tuned to find out how I made these quick, easy and inexpensive mini Christmas wreaths. I somehow lost the footage on how I made the bases for the wreath, so I just want to quickly explain that to you. So all you want to do is find a circular object around the house based on how big you want the wreath to be. I used a lid and then marked what would be the outer part of the wreath. I then used a smaller circular object to then mark the inside of the wreath, and then took a box cutter and then just cut along the inner part of the cardboard. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know. I then just wrapped some wool around the cardboard, leaving the bottom part open for me to stick on my greenery and bow, which I was going to use to decorate the wreath. Start by placing your greenery anywhere you want. You will eventually get a feel of, the perfect placement and where you want it to end up. So don't stress about getting it right the first time. I then put some glue down. I used Bostik all-purpose glue, which worked quite well. I then stuck my greenery onto the glue. Trimmed off some of the excess greenery, added my bow, and that was pretty much it for this one. And for the next one, I just grabbed some washi tape. You can find washi tape at P&A. I think I've also seen it at Typo and I'm sure at most craft stores, but this I found at P&A. I then went ahead and stuck it onto the base lengthwise. You want to make sure that you leave enough leverage to stick it onto the other side. I unfortunately cut mine too short, so it kept lifting. I then just took pieces of masking tape to stick on the back of the cardboard just to make sure that those short pieces stays down. Here I'm making a few slits just to make sure that it's easy to stick onto the curves. In the end, everything worked out fine, so I luckily didn't have to redo that. I use greenery on all three of the reeds. So together with that, I just used some of the little plastic leaves and cherries on old garland that I won't be using this year that I just reused. And for my last wreath, I just used some black and white wool that I wrapped around the cardboard again. I also quickly hopped onto Canva to print out these little prints, which I also stuck onto cardboard just to make sure that they're not too flimsy. To finish it off, I glued some twine to the back of the reeds. Then I stuck the words across the middle of the reeds. I hung all three of them on this branch, and that was it for this project. If you enjoyed this little tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you later, loves.